In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a digital signature to a presentation in PowerPoint. By the end, you'll know how to securely sign your slides, so recipients can verify the author and confirm the file hasn't been altered. Start by opening the PowerPoint presentation you want to sign. Make sure it's the final version, because once a file is digitally signed, any edits made afterward will invalidate the signature. A quick tip here. If you think you might need to make changes later, save a backup copy before you sign, so you can return to an editable version if needed. With your file open, head to the File tab, then choose Info. Look for Protect Presentation and select Add a Digital Signature. This is the built-in path that prepares the file for a secure, tamper-evident signature. If you're prompted to choose a digital certificate, you have two main options. For internal testing or sharing within a trusted team, a self-signed certificate is often sufficient. It verifies integrity, but may not be recognized outside your organization. For external distribution, like sending to clients or posting publicly, use a certificate from a trusted provider. That type of certificate is broadly recognized and helps avoid warnings on other machines. If you don't have a certificate yet, PowerPoint may offer a way to create a self-signed one on the spot, or you can obtain a trusted certificate through your organization or a certificate authority. Next, you'll be asked to enter your signature details. Add your name, the purpose of the signature, and any comments that provide context, such as approval, final review, or publication. Clear notes here help recipients understand exactly why the file was signed and when. When you're ready, click Sign. PowerPoint will apply your digital signature to the file. Be sure to save the presentation immediately after signing, so the signature is preserved with the document. Remember, if you later change anything in the presentation, the signature will be removed or marked invalid. If edits are necessary, plan to remove the signature, make your updates, and then sign again. To verify the signature, open the presentation, go back to File, choose Info, and select View Signatures. You'll see a panel confirming who signed the file, the timestamp, and whether the signature is valid. This is a useful final check before sharing your presentation. That's it. You've securely signed your PowerPoint and confirmed the signature, giving your audience confidence in the content and its origin.